Hi, everyone. I mean, it's a pleasure to share what we are building at Lovys. What we see is that there is a beautiful opportunity to reimagine, rethink insurance because it's still a big problem for most of the people. I mean, first of all, let's think of one thing. Insurance is becoming more and more important, but people are buying it less and less. So the new generations have a really difficulty in making sense of what they need and what they have already. I mean, and when we look these and confront with different sectors, it's fantastic to see that actually insurance is one of the sectors that people trust the less. So what we are seeing at Lovys is that there's a lot of different insurtechs that are basically with saying that car insurance is broken or home insurance is broken. But actually, when we ask people in the street what is their problem, they don't talk about home or car or pet, but for them, insurance is a problem. They see it as a category. They see it as something that in whole, they don't make sense of it. So simple questions like, how much do you spend on a yearly basis for insurance, or how many products do you have in insurance? People don't have an answer to these questions. So what we felt at Lovys is that we needed to reimagine, rethink insurance, the category as a whole. And that's basically what we are doing. So let's really tangibilize what we mean with this. What we mean is that at Lovys, we are creating the first 100% digital, flexible, and personal insurance solution. So in a simple way, we want to enable people, and we are enabling people to click, change, own, in a way, love it. And there, the name Lovys is because when people to say, wow, this is different, this is really a change in paradigm versus what it is today. And so if we really think in terms of, okay, this is all great, but what are the features that enable this? If I'm a user, how can I say that you guys are delivering on this promise? So if we go into that and looking things from that standpoint, basically we're enabling the first one-stop shop where people can subscribe basically everything and have a single monthly subscription. So very quick subscription, very easy to personalize according exactly to your needs and be flexible. Like you can cancel anytime. As the French press calls us, we are basically moving the insurance to basically the reality of Netflix. That's an analogy that we love, and I think captures the essence of our promise that is really moving from a product standpoint to a category solution, and now in one solution. And I think you're probably wondering, where are we today? So, I mean, we started in August 2019, so at the very end of 2019. And as you can see, we had an amazing traction. What we are showing there on the numbers are new clients per quarter. So at the moment, we have sold so far more than 50,000 policies. And this is day one. So what we are doing is like deploying new channels in terms of acquisition, new products, new geographies. And what we see is that this spinning wheel is moving faster and faster as basically these different elements of new channels, new products, and geographies are interacting. So at the moment, we are selling in France, and more recently, we launched Spain. So we launched Spain last month. And in terms of products, we have now 4 products live. That is home, pet, auto, and smartphone. And the amazing thing is that we see that what we found as the problem is really the reality. In terms of cross-selling is growing more and more and more. So it's interesting to see that as a whole, we have now more than 5% cross-selling, but in the whole, the cohorts and not looking, because of course there is the new sales, but that rate is just going faster and faster and increasing as the clients mature. So so far we have 10 underwriting partners. We raise a little bit more than 25 million euros from some incredible investors, and we created 4 products. And I would say we are day one. It's a pleasure to share what we are doing with Lovys, and our goal is to really make Lovys this pan-European player in insurtech, being multi-product and multi-channel. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to hear your questions and to share more.